I just got ready for the airport. I'm wearing my platform Docs since it's gonna be cold in New York, and these are like good shoes, I feel like, for New York. I'm wearing sweatpants and then my new merch from Bridget, her line, The Bar. It's really big and oversized, so I tucked it in, but it's like, I got a large, so. Charlie is taking me to the airport and my flight's at 5:45, so I landed in New York at like 9 something p.m. But I ended up finishing packing, thank God. And I'll see you guys in New York. Hello. Oh my God, it's cold. Okay, hi guys. I haven't updated you on anything, but I landed late last night. Maddie's mom got me pizza and wine, and now me and Maddie are walking to SLT Pilates, and I did not dress for this weather. This is what I'm wearing, and I'm out. Hi guys, I just finished Pilates and now I'm on the way to get my hair done. I'm just getting it like refreshed because it's grown out a lot, so. Hi guys, 4 hours later, finally got my hair done. It looks so good. I got it cut pretty short, oops, and colored. Like kind of like my natural color, but like a little bit brighter on the face. I'll show you in better lighting too. I'm on my way back to Maddie's now, so see you guys soon. Cheers! 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 This is Kristen and Todd's apartment. It is the nicest apartment in Manhattan. Now you're in New York. I know. Focus. Focus. Concrete jungle where dreams are made of. They're like, they don't live here. Now you're in New York. I don't think I can do wine. I can only do a coffee. Oh yeah, I'm straight to a martini. No problem. Thank you. Oh, hi guys. We got ready for dinner. I'm wearing this nice maxi dress. Vax cards. We're at American Bar. Wait, the tree is so cute. Hi. I'm taking a pet now. Duh. Sir, I know, I'm doing both. I was like, I have a steak. Oh my God. Congrats, Maddie! Congrats, Maddie! Yay! She got a promotion. Cheers! She's a smart girly. That is so sweet. Do you want to talk to my vlog? No. Hi, vlog. Hi, vlog. Why do you want to vlog? You just cried. Wait, I'm about to talk shit. I know. I just cried in the bathroom. But you'll deal with a little bit. Oh. Wait, what? You want a pot? No, they don't have the ones I like. Hi. Are you guys looking for cigarettes? No. I am. We're doing fireball.
You all looked very fun.
We're doing fireball shots if you want one.
What the fuck are Hubbs?
They're like this new. It's like Jules, but it's like this millennial. What do you mean?
I don't smoke robot dick.
Robot dick.
I kind of love that.
I love that. Why are you getting nips?
We're just getting fireball.
It's just for we're taking you in my vlog.
Recording us.
You're gonna get on YouTube.
Hi.
Sorry,
Okay, cheers,
you
guys.
guys. If you say the number,
Cheers.
Cheers. I can't take it. I'm so scared. That was the skiing or whatever we did. That was crazy.
I only had 35 of these on my birthday.
You got it all?
I'll go Saloon.
We got espresso martinis.
I'm done with it.
Abigail's kitchen.
I'm about to swing this back.
Whoa, we tried to put our name in Dante and they didn't let us in, so
I agree.
now we're next door at Abigail's kitchen. Yeah.
I need to go pee in
It's Christmas in the city!
Cheers! Cheers! Christmas is you. I'm like, okay. What else did you know? She goes,
Kyra's like done.
don't challenge me.
Taylor, do it. She's got it.
And I don't care.
Oh my god.
You want to? I mean, you don't want
Oh my god. You want to talk to it? Loren, I want you to say something in my vlog.
Hello.
No, this is not normal, Loren. Loren's camera shy.
Sorry, normally I'm more fun.
I love this city.
You make me hate
this city. And I don't talk shit. It is currently 2:08 a.m. The city that never sleeps, guys.
You were tossing me the car keys, fuck the patriarchy, keychain on the ground. We were always skipping town, and I was thinking on the drive down, anytime now, he's gonna say it's a love. You never called it what it was, till we were dead and gone and buried. Check the pulse and come back swearing it's the same, after 3 months in the grave.
Hi guys, it's Friday morning. We just got ready for our day. Yay.
We love New York.
I'll show you my outfit. Really casual vibes. Jeans, sweater, and a little blazer. We are going to brunch at Cook Shop, and then what are we doing after, guys? Walking around Soho? Maybe shop, maybe buy something. Those are so chic.
Look at her.
She's just a chic gal.
This is the chic.
Look at this view.
Want to open the rest of the blinds, sir?
Yeah. Like, stunning.
Okay. Just do So we say you're here. Yeah.
Cheers. Cheers, everyone.
Cheers. I'm so happy. Yeah, this looks that burger looks good.
That burger looks so good.
Oh, terribly.
Same thing. Yeah. Becca wants me to teach her how to do a TikTok.
I like yours. I like more stuff. Did you see the TikTok we made last night? Just here on the floor. Taylor's like, throw the key on the floor.
You look stunning. You look so pretty, Becca. Look how pretty she looks.
You look
stunning.
You, for whoever can come. Is it recording?
Yeah.
Oh, hello. Hi, Sarah's vlog. Yeah. Or, what's, like, Henry okay? Anyone? Oh, it's Friday, yeah. Saturday, Sunday, yeah. It's Friday, yeah. It's Saturday, Sunday. It's Friday, yeah. Yeah. Peace, lovers. Peace. It's Friday, yeah.
Businesswoman Dre Dre.
It's Dre Dre. Give her those business calls. Give her those money dollars. Okay. Is that like the easiest place to go?
It's like, comment, and subscribe. And hit the ring notification.
And also kind of crazy.
We're done analyzing. We are done analyzing.
So what are you?
Hi, friends. Just got ready for our Friday night dinner. I can't button my pants yet. I'm wearing this leather top and these leather pants, and I hate these shoes with it, but I don't have anything else. That's all I packed besides my dogs. I don't wear my dogs because I have blisters for my dogs, so I have to go with it. So like, yeah.
You say
For dinner, okay, this lighting is horrible. Okay, So for dinner, we're going to this place called, I don't actually know what it's called, but it's a place where you can like dance on the tables, and they like, it's just like a fun vibe. We're going with like a big group of people. But as I was saying, okay, I finally buttoned my pants. They buttoned up. These shoes look horrible with my outfit, and I'm also gonna be wearing with it. I'm wearing yeah, so this is the fit. The only issue is the shoes, but like, we have to go with it. And we're having some rosé. And I have some cheese and crackers and prosciutto. What's the dinner place called?
Like Kima or something?
Kima.
Or Kira?
Kira? Maddie, what's the dinner place called?
I think it's Kima or Kaima, but I'm not
Kaima.
sure.
Yeah, you can say something or you can... It's fine. Guys, these are my sweet little children.
We're showing them around New York.
Aaron and Kaden, my beauty queens.
This is my Moki. That's my little. Ow! 7-Eleven. I'm better than my mom.
And I got this soda.
I know. I needed it.
Hi guys, how are you? Good. How many?
Starbucks next to Seoul with like this girl that was there. And
Did you just run into her?
Yeah, I didn't know she was going. And then we took an Uber together to go. What are you trying to do?
My lymphatic drainage.
Get rid of your bike.
Please.
You tell me what.
Hello, okay.
She's a vlogger.
That's good, thank you. I'm like having like...
Are you vlogging?
Duh.
Espresso martini. Thank you. Yeah, thank you.
Are you leaving? What do you want me to do? Go fast.
I wish you Merry Christmas. Hope you have a great Christmas, great holiday. Whatever you celebrate, Kwanzaa, Hanukkah, whatever. We celebrate Christmas here.
We celebrate Christmas here.
Thank you so much. Like, this is such a great time to all be together as friends and just love one another. Such a great time to all be together as friends and just love one another. Say ciao. Say ciao to them.
Ciao, Bella.
Oh.
We're going to dinner at Bond Street at 6:30 for an early dinner, and then we have our big mistletoe night tonight.
They're gonna have so much fun. I'm not actually doing my own thing. It's fine.
He's going to Pull-A Bar.
I'm going to pull a bar.
Look how much traffic there is.
How good is this quality?
I know, I keep looking at myself.
The viewfinder is clutch.
Who got this for you?
My best friend. Ooh, jawline.
I know, right? You guys, well, we just
Trent,
love yours
have
today.
you gotten plastic surgery on your face?
Never. No,
He's just chiseled.
I am just
Chiseled.
I go to Barry's every
You look,
day.
your eyes look really good. Trent, you look really good. You guys should see what Trent used to look like. Trent. Hold on. So like, he went from that to this. Whoa. Like, that's actually insane.
Is that crazy?
Yeah. Hi guys, I just got ready for dinner and our mistletoe event. I'm wearing this black tight mini dress from Super Down. My voice. And we're going to Bond Street at 6:30 for dinner and drinks, and then the actual event, mistletoe, is they're gonna have like other food. I love this apartment.
She just turned 6 years old. This is Juliana, her sister, our other hero. Wave. Mommy Rachel, who loves candlelight, so much that she's now our vice president. Rock on, baby! And we're going to have, if everybody.
So right now, guys, one more second here. One more time. 1 second, guys.
Oh my god! They're so cute! Oh, you look cute. Day 4. Holy shit. This is my cute little outfit, courtesy of Taylor, for the little coat from Rails. This sweater dress is from Misguided, and my boots are from Nasty Gal. And we're gonna walk around, try to get into Sidell's, shop, ice skate, Carbone tonight. So, fun. This is so cute. Thank you. Guys, smile. You look so cute. Aww.
Oh, that's a really cute photo.
I know.
They just take pickles.
Kyra got a coconut water. What? Can you get a margarita, Taylor? I think.
This looks incredible. Can you send me like a good Yeah.
This looks
I love this restaurant.
so good.
I should dress while I'm
Okay, now we're being tourists, guys, and we're going ice skating, but I'm not because look what I'm wearing. Where can I watch you guys? I'm just gonna watch because I didn't dress for ice skating, but I love it here. It's so pretty.
I love the vlogs. Tennis courts are.
Say hi to my vlog, guys.
Literally right across from us. Okay, cool. Okay, cool. So
Hi, vlog.
Hey, vlog.
Wait, this is actually really pretty. We just got some spiked hot cocos from
Only me. I only like
this bar back here after they all went ice skating. And I didn't attend ice skating, like I said.
You said 8 of us? Yeah. My brain's gone. It's been gone since yesterday.
It's on a walk right now. My brain is gone.
Vanilla hot cocoa with Bailey's and vanilla vodka, I think.
Call them because
Very delicious.
I know, I don't think so. Yeah, I want to. I love That was the moment I went from grocery to I'm not sitting out of the tent. Okay. Last name is
Sorry.
pasta macaroni.
Put them on your heads, guys. Show them how big they are. Yeah, chance. Careful of your drink.
Wait till you guys.
I'm sweating. How long are comments?
Wait, what is Lisa's boyfriend like?